The Bottega Veneta Arco Mini Intrecciato leather tote is a beautiful handbag crafted from the brand's signature intrecciato woven leather. Arco Mini Tote Bottega Veneta features a structured silhouette, dual top handles, and a detachable shoulder strap for versatile wear. The interior is lined with suede and has a zip pocket to keep your small essentials organized. Bottega Veneta Arco bag measures 6.5, height x 8.5, width x 4.5, depth, making it a perfect size for everyday use. As for the price, it may vary depending on the retailer and the region, but as of my knowledge cutoff date, the Bottega Veneta Arco Mini Intrecciato leather tote was priced at around $2,700 USD. However, please note that prices may change over time and vary by location.